I sent this iPad to Apple for a repair, and they dropped the ball really bad, especially as a known technician myself. They messed up. Let me show you. This iPad right here is a $1,500 iPad. This is the iPad 13-inch, 2024, cellular connection, 256 gigabyte. If you go on their website, it's about $1,500, okay? So I sent it to them as a repair. I bought this iPad from an individual with a broken screen, and luckily it had Apple Care Plus. So I was like, hey, let's benefit from this. It's gonna cost me $29 instead of $800 to purchase a screen, and might as well have Apple do it for me, and hopefully they can just replace the iPad entirely. So I sent it out to them a few days ago. They received it, they repaired it same day, really quick, and sent it back. I got this package in yesterday. Let me show you. And I put everything back the way it was. Here is the details, product name, serial number, all that good information. They replaced the screen, iPad Pro, all that info. This is how I received it. So you pop this guy open, squeeze it, and you pull out the iPad. God dang, Apple just messed up on this iPad. How would they even send me something like this? This is so embarrassing, and I'm a technician, so I know how these repairs work. It just makes it even worse, you know what I mean? I swear, this is straight up exactly how I received it. First of all, I'm not sure if you can see it. On the screen, it's dirty. That's not right? But hey, you know what? It's not a big deal. Honestly, I didn't really care. I saw it, I was like, oh, no problem. It's a bit dusty. Looks like it's a used screen. But then, if you start noticing, top right corner. What the hell is that? Is that like fuzziness? What is this? Like you can grab a pair of tweezers, but this is not the big deal, so just hang on a second. Look, you see this? What is that? Okay, but again, not so much of a big deal. Not professional, not too happy about it, but whatever. This blew me away. So as I turned it over, I noticed that I can stick my finger in between the screen and the frame. Look. I can put almost my pinky inside. So you guys can see, I'm gonna zoom in. Guys, I'm not exaggerating, I'm not lying. This is how I received it yesterday. That's crazy. For a $1,500 iPad. This is the job that they gave me. Using logic here, I mean, it does turn on, it does function. Apple logo. I mean, the screen is working. I've already tested the screen, but this is extremely unacceptable. Now, as a person that may not have been aware of this, right? Or just they're not that, tech savvy. By pressing down here, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, it moves, obviously, right? There's a gap. You see that gap? Moving gap? If I wasn't aware and I grabbed the screen from here and I exerted a lot of pressure as I'm pulling it up or whatever the case is, I can damage this screen, right? And this screen is gonna cost me, again, X amount of money, right? I mean, I don't know, I'm speechless. I have no idea what else to say on this. This is extremely unacceptable. Seriously, I'm not even joking. I've got all the packing lists, date January 9th, I think it was shipped. Yeah, I think it was shipped January 9th. We got it yesterday, being the 12th. Unacceptable. Makes it even worse because I'm a technician. And the frame is not bent, the frame is straight. I mean, if the frame was bent, I'd be like, you know what, I understand, but you can just bend it back, right? I mean, this is what I do with my customers. And right here even, oh my God. Yeah, this is not even, that's crazy. Look, I didn't even notice it, even at the bottom. Do you guys see that, right here? What the heck? I wanna show you guys this corner too, man. This is just an ugly corner. It's like napkins. Oh yeah, now you can see it, like fuzziness. I want to take this apart, but I don't want to damage the screen because I want to send it back. This is not acceptable. Man, what do you guys think? This is crazy, right? Or is it just me? Am I just making a big deal out of this? This is $1,500. I don't think I am. Has this ever happened to you guys? Have you guys ever had a bad experience with Apple Care Plus? Or a repair or a replacement? I've never had a problem with Apple's repairs before, or their Apple Care Plus. I've used it in the past, but man, I'm speechless. What do you guys think? Let me know.